Hello, Jim Braddock, Director of Sales for Farsoon America, located here in Austin, Texas. Farsoon is an established global additive machine manufacturing, offer an extensive product line of plastic and metal 3D printers, featuring different build size and processing capabilities that suits many industries and markets. Farsoon America has been rapidly growing with expanding sales channel and a dedicated team of additive experts in customer service, technical support, business development to better serve our customers. Today, I want to speak briefly about how Farsoon's SLS technology can help you produce functional production parts from 0.010 of an inch to 39.4 inches. Production parts require specific tolerance, materials, and mechanical properties. With our large volume 1K SLS platform, Farsoon can produce single parts as large as 39 inches, or multiple smaller parts for continuous production application. Large, oversized parts in automotive industry like adapter pipes, fixtures, and housings need to be sectioned into multiple smaller pieces to be produced and assembled by CNC or silicon molding processes. This is time-consuming and laborious, while the junctions can enable failure points and size deviations which create fit issues. Farsoon's HT1000P is designed for large format part production with industrial build envelope of 39 by 20 by 18 inches. With its fully modular design of loading, building, and cooling stations, the HT1000P can achieve continuous production with maximum efficiency. Take this example, this automotive HVAC component. The customer using Farsoon HT1000P SLS system produces the part in under 10 hours by using only one single process with smoother surface fixture, higher part strength, and improved structural integrity. Most important, it helps achieve up to 96% cost reduction and 92% shorter lead time compared to silicon molding and CNC. Small parts and electronic consumables industries has a different range of challenges from size accuracy, surface finish, detail resolution, to mechanical properties. Farsoon's innovative flight technology can deliver an industrial-leading production speed and detail resolution as small as 0.012 of an inch with laser sintering quality. Our customer has used Farsoon's flight technology for series production of a wide range of miniature gears from 15 thousandths to 1 inch. Also, thanks to Farsoon's truly open systems with open parameters and high temperature capabilities, a variety of engineered plastic materials can be used for fabrication of functional parts. Farsoon America will be exhibiting at the AMUG at the Hilton Orlando from May 2nd through the 6th and showcase more about our innovative solutions for your manufacturing challenges. Myself and Southeast Regional Manager Ray Jones will be at the AMUG Expo booth number 7. You are welcome to contact us to set up an in-person meeting during the show, and thank you very much.